starting our live stream. All right, everybody, March 18. This is Friday. This is AMA session, weekly AMA session, as always, with co-founder and CEO of Envelop NIFTSY, Alex Shedogubov. Alex.
Okay.
Great to have you on, and as always, me, Eugene Crypto MC, as the media host. And as always, to your viewers, like, subscribe, share, and please ask your question in the live chat. You know the rules. Let's start with the goals accomplished by the team on the third week of March. Alex, what goals should we be proud about on this week?
So we finalized the product for VCs and startups, where startups can sell their tokens vested inside wrapped NFTs. So for VCs, it's a preferable thing because in this way they got liquidity on hand. They can resell before unlock periods come. This wrapped NFTs with tokens inside on OTC deals, so even on OpenSea they easily can sell it. Also, we are finalizing with our partner the MicroDAO of wrapped NFT Marketplace. So this will be the specialized marketplace where could be traded such wrapped NFTs with tokens of projects vested or just liquidity and other complex NFTs. Also about the NFT Marketplace integration, as I mentioned previously, we indicated the plan. So we plan to execute this case up to mid-April. So this is one of top exchanges, and also another one is interested about launching Launchpad, wrapped NFT Launchpad for their NFT solutions and projects. So during the spring will be plenty of releases, and also we got focusing on about 5 main products we are delivering and plan to board on partners and market these products, and also show the real cases of microDAOs where all holders of NIFTSY tokens will be able to stake them and get kind of revenue from microDAO. So you will see how it works.
Well, okay, these have been the goals accomplished by the Envelop NIFTSY team, we have been working hardly last 14 or 16 months, delivering the wrapping NFT service to the world, which aims to re-engineer the approach to NFT as we knew it, to make NFT as the container of the value, to create a new features, to add new features to any NFT in the world. So re-engineering of the NFT landscape of the world. Let's dive into, by the way, we have the thing on this week we should be proud of. CZ from Binance. Yes, CZ from Binance mentioned Envelop on Twitter after he had appeared on the ETH Rio conference in Brazil, where our team marketing member Jonathan perhaps engaged him, or I don't know exactly the details, but let me share that our Twitter. So Alex, I would love to ask you while I'm opening our Twitter, what does it mean? Did CZ mean that he values Envelop, or just answered on Twitter? Should we be proud with this situation?
So we are glad that he noticed. I don't think that he got deeply into the project, but it's well known that now he knows the term about wrapped NFT. So also, as we are developing on Binance Smart Chain as well, among the first ones, so I think we could have a good perspective inside this ecosystem, and maybe, who knows, in the nearest future we will be listed or somehow presented among these Binance products maybe centralized or decentralized, or maybe just inside non-custodial wallets?
Well, so you may look on your screen and find the tweet of Envelop NIFTSY, courtesy CZ Binance, make a surprise appearance on Ethereum Rio in Brazil. And here we may see the reply of CZ to Envelop Binance Ethereum Rio. So CZ had mentioned us. Always happy to drop by. Thank you very much, CZ. This is a great sign for Envelop. So we've been moving in the right direction. And thank you very much, Jonathan, our marketing team member, for engaging or for arranging this event, because without your forces and your participation, it could not have been possible, I think. So let me switch on the main news on this week. GameStop, the struggle of video game retailer. You might have known this with the scandal, not a scandal. I don't know exactly the story, but perhaps the stocks of GameStop were dropped when one of the broker refused to trade them, and then users from all over the world started to buy GameStop stocks, and its price rise very high. And now this GameStop, so GameStop is a renowned brand of the video game retailer, usual video game, plans to launch NFT Marketplace by end of July. So video game retailer joins NFT movement. So Alex, I would love to ask you, what does it mean for all the industry that the company from the previous epoch, video games, is going into NFT, into the super actual epoch, Web3? What does it mean for all the industry, and what should we know, should we exclude from this news? Your opinion. The news is on the screen.
First, I heard about this. I thought that GameStop is about hyping a bit, but it's a rather good step for them, and especially because they are in good company with Immutable X. So these guys are supposed to be good in gaming and NFTs for games. So we can see a kind of old-fashioned brand in actual steps of development of NFT space. So we're glad that they are on it. So we see plenty of companies recently adding NFTs or launching NFT products. So NFT is really irritating and buzzword, but everybody wants to use it.
Well, so we may conclude that all the world is moving towards NFT, and NFT has already become the tool, a tool for many purposes, for a lot of purposes. And Envelop NIFTSY is the protocol, not even the protocol, it's just Super DAO, the protocol, Oracle, and Index, which enables to provide NFT with real value and with features which couldn't have been existed without Envelop as a protocol. This is the main value of Envelop. So Alex, let's remind once again what have been the realized use cases till now, and what are the potential use cases which probably will be implemented till the end of the year. So a short summary of use cases of Envelop now and beyond till the end of the year.
So as we are saying about GameStop, so I'll start from game use cases. As we see, one of the most popular could be skill tokens, where we wrap NFT and put inside collateral different tokens, where every token stands for each characteristic of character, for example, speed, strength, power, defense, attack, and so on. So for users, it's a great way of customization of their characters. For game issuers, it's another great selling point. And also we realized that this in new version of our protocol, this collateral can be taken out partly. So when you got damaged in a game, your armor tokens can diminish. So it offers new game mechanics. And there is for games, it's about non-pledge rentals of NFTs. We see the big potential of secondary market and it's still unleashed. So we offer easy way to newcomers to execute it. So also we got partners who working on it, also communicating with guilds of gamers to let them new tools to get more income. Then we can say about our concept of unstoppable NFTs, which were execution with Rome. It's decentralized storage on Ethereum chain. It will give to the NFT itself the freedom to be stored decentralized way, to pay for itself as a dynamic entity. So we can use it for storing different type of content, not only graphic, but also music, video, and plenty of others. And as any transaction made, it accumulates a bit of value inside it. And when it's needed, it refills the payment for storing its metadata. And such NFTs could become really eternal and be non-dependent from centralized entities who store their metadata. Of course, we got applications where we can simply wrap any NFTs. It's 721 or 1155 format. We can make different setups. Also, we executed the batch wrapping where we can wrap multiple tokens and make settings for them. Especially, it can be used, as I mentioned today, in wrapped NFT tool for VCs and startups where they can arrange their deals about tokens and backers of these tokens. Then we are focusing on integration with marketplaces and creation of our own, where these new mechanics can enrich even marketplace of current well-known platforms, launchpads. So this could be the main cases, and also the upcoming ones are about working with liquidity, L3 solutions, and cross-chain mechanics upcoming this summer.
Excellent. By the way, we've got a question from Zakai Monroe in our live chat. He or she, I'm sorry for maybe incorrect defining the. Okay, let's move forward. The question sounds like, is it possible to use Envelop protocol with Brave browser? Everybody knows what Brave browser is. By the way, honestly, I am trying to use Brave browser. It works very well. It lets to, for example, for my purposes, to look on YouTube videos without any advertising. It is very good. So we don't miss time for watching advertisers, want to skip advertisers. So the Brave browser is the crypto browser. As I do understand, that's to earn tokens for viewing. For by default, it suggests not to look on advertising. And if you want to look on advertising on website, you earn tokens. That's the main concept of Brave browser. I'm not the deep user of Brave browser. I'm just trying to learn it. So could we say something on the question, where's the Brave browser, where the product, where Envelop protocol, yep, these are so separate things, as I do understand. How would you answer on this question? Is it possible to use Envelop protocol with Brave browser? Does it make sense?
Yes, so we can launch our app in Brave, so there would be no problems if there is extension of MetaMask installed, so you can enjoy it there as well as in Chrome and others.
Well, so you said about, as I do understand correctly, this means could Envelop be implemented as an extension in any browser, right?
No, I mean that you can launch our app when you type in app.envelop.is in Brave browser as well. And of course, to use this Brave browser, you need some wallet. It could be MetaMask or any wallet connected by Wallet Connect. So
Get it.
You can put it as well there.
Get it. So of course, Envelop as the app works with Brave Brave. So Camero clarifies Brave Wallet. Brave Wallet. Oh, so sounds quite technical. Brave Wallet. Of course, Brave Wallet is a wallet which is built in Brave browser. I exactly don't know the real details.
I think if
in general,
supports connection via Wallet Connect, I suppose it could be connected, but better to check because we.
Okay, so the question is I rephrase the question: is the Brave browser, which has Brave Wallet, works with Envelop the app? So the point is, does the Brave Wallet work with the app? Yes. The answer is yes, it works, but we need to test. Generally, it is. So as any app works with any wallet, so because Brave Wallet is built-in wallet, so we even do not need the MetaMask as an extension. Okay, so what else? Nothing more. Goals on the week, news. Thank you, CZ. Thank you, Jonathan. So if you don't need to add any more, and I think we don't, so let's switch on the next week and stay tuned for the next AMA.
I also just want to say that there will be event on in Bali in beginning of April. So I was invited there as a speaker. So there will be shared some ideas of wrapped NFTs about Envelop. So as I remember, it's from 7th to 10th of April. So if anybody is on Bali, so you can attend there in person or watch it online as well.
Okay, so Envelop or NIFTSY fans, if you are in Indonesia, in Bali Island, by the way, what city? Bali is a huge island.
It's in Ubud.
Okay.
In Ubud.
Ubud. Okay. So if you are on Bali, and if you want to meet Alex personally, he's on Bali now, you may follow. Let's put then after then let's put the link, give me the link after. I'll put it in the description of this video, link on the event. So from 7th till 10th of April, Bali, Alex will be the speaker on the event. I don't think that there'll be so much events, so you won't confuse this event with any others. So meet Alex personally and know more about Envelop NIFTSY. By the way, question from Martin: do you have any significant updates in the near future? General question: significant updates in the near future. Okay, let's share our plans. First of all, event in April, and what are the plans for a couple of coming months? What should we mention?
So the best update is realization of beta, and as well integration of beta in the concept of unstoppable NFTs in games, where we can partly check out tokens, skill tokens, and this also works for this tool for VCs and startups, multiple batch wrapping. So this is the biggest update in spring, and then upcoming to the summer it will be Oracle updates to the beta and the index invention in MVP as well, and to the beta in summer. Okay,
so a couple of service announcements. As you already know, on the links in the description, you may find the digest for February. I'll remind you that the digest is the collection of the core essence of what's going on in NFT industry. If you don't have time to look up on the daily news, you may read the digest. You may find a link below in the description. The main events which were going on, which had took place in February, and we've been putting this digest on a monthly basis, so we'll share it with you after every month will have ended. So DAO Ambassadors Program, I'll remind you about the DAO Envelop Ambassadors Program. The link to join to ambassadors is below in the description. So who are ambassadors? They are evangelists and huge fans of the Envelop protocol. So if you really like what Envelop team has been doing, so you may join the ambassador and help us to promote and to spread our message to the world, help us making content, manage charts, and so on, and for a lot of great work. So this is all. Please stay tuned, subscribe on our YouTube channel, ask your question in the live in the chat, Telegram chat, and stay tuned for next AMA sessions with Alex and other partners. Stay tuned with Envelop. Be the part of community. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. See you on the next
See you.
AMAs.